promise you not buying any more car parts.
I'm
waiting.
It's for the Foxbody.
Oh, for the Fox. What happened to you doing more stuff for me?
I am, but I'm cooking for you.
Oh. Okay. Thanks, babe.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Oh man, what's going on today, guys? D Creator here, back with another video. Yeah, we're gonna be working on the 6 Fox today. So what I have here are daytime running lights, DRL, flexible. If y'all are in the Foxbody community, y'all know what are these for. If not, y'all about to find out. But basically, guys, like I said, I want to do a RTR kind of conversion thing going on. So I seen some of, don't worry about that. I see some of this online a couple times, and you know, I like the way they look, and I wanted to make ones for myself to see if I can actually do it. If not, there's a guy that sells them if you are in the Foxbody community. So I just want to see if I can do it myself. But before we start on the video, I actually want to show y'all guys this. Hey Night. Hey Nala. Alright, get out the way. But yes, we do have the new Edge dash in here, or SN95 dash. And I'm not gonna lie, it fits like a glove. It's really tight in here, and it took me a while to put all this together. That's an antenna cord. I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna have to get some covers for that. Same thing over there. But yeah, what I'm planning on doing is I'm probably either gonna do a double DIN radio setup. Hopefully that'll fit in there the way I need it to fit. If not, oh well. I do have new, what are these things? The little, you have to roll the window down. Window crank, that's what it is. Window crank. Because as you can see, you see how close it gets to the actual dash. The stock one, hang on, I'm trying to do this with one hand. The stock one comes out to probably an inch or two outward, so it'll be scrubbing up against this. So that would be no bueno. It's very, very close, but it's good. I'm gonna have to do something with the door handles, because the door handles goes all the way up here and the dash is like right here. So I took the door handles off, and right now to open up the door, you basically have to just get your finger in here. See this little thing? Just push back on it. So that's for right now. But yeah, I'm finna probably put like some type of door panels or something like that. I don't know, some custom door panels, because I need some door panels. I want to do some seats, but not sure if I'll have time to get seats before the car show. But are you happy? Yeah, he's happy. But yeah, probably not gonna get seats before the car show unless I get a good deal on some seats or find some good seats. I don't know. Y'all have some seats and y'all think you can send it to me before the 19th? Go ahead. Go ahead, send it to me. But today we're gonna be working on putting the daytime running lights in this to making the RTR build. I already took one out. The other one's right here. we're gonna be working with one, and I'm gonna show you what they look like right now. Alright, the first thing you want to do is take off these two, it's either 11 or 10 mil bolts. I forgot which one it was, but just these two bolts back here. And then, yeah, take them off. And then we're going to open up the lights to see what we're working with. Alright guys, so basically what I did in there was I basically got two pieces of wood or whatever. Basically what I use the wood for is so it doesn't get as hot as metal does, so it don't necessarily melt the lights. The wood kind of just, you know, keeps it from basically burning. Also, I put it at 220 degrees Fahrenheit so it doesn't get too hot. And we're gonna leave it in there for about 7 minutes. We might come back to check it in 5 minutes. So just looking at it, make sure everything is good. And that's about it. Just let it sit in there. Eventually we'll be able to take off the lens and open them up. But in the meantime, let's take a look at these LED strips. Alright guys, these LED strips are pretty self-explanatory. The red wire goes to the positive, the black wire goes to negative, and the yellow wire goes to the positive for the turn signal. So you get your tester out. This is just a little Harbor Freight tester with a light on the inside. And basically what you want to do is go ahead and turn on your turn signals. Go ahead and turn on your headlights also. Turn signals and headlights. So, and what you want to do is get your, basically this is my turn signal bulb, also the daytime running light, the flashers. So basically what you want to do is get these, stick the metal piece in there. The light doesn't come on, that means it's negative. Then you go to the middle, the light stays on, that means it's the positive wire. The light flashes means that it's the turn signal. So we go back to the instructions and it said red wire goes to positive. So the positive would be in the middle for a 98 Mustang. I don't know what kind of car, you know, y'all have. The black will go to the negative, of course. And you see the light is already on because I don't have the turn signals on. But if I connect the yellow wire to the turn signal, you see it. Oh, hold on. Came off. There you go. You see it. Turn signal. Alright guys, now that we got it separated, took off the lens and everything, cleared it off, it's time to put everything together. Now, yeah, I blew a fuse, so I did mess up, kind of tapped the positive and the negative together and blew the fuse. Everybody makes mistakes. It's okay. Just as long as you make sure you understand what you did and move on from it. We're going to try to connect these wires together and see how we're going to look. First, we're going to actually put the LED strip inside of here. And there's also spots on here where you can actually cut it. So make sure you cut along that, because this is about like 2 inches longer than what I needed to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the surface, clean it up real nice. And then I'm going to get some of that industrial strength glue. Probably like tap it in the corners or something like that. I don't know. Do something simple with it. And then we're going to glue it all around the lens. And probably drill a hole down at the bottom somewhere to bring the wires through. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. But what I was trying to show you guys before I actually blew that fuse, if you put the yellow wire, which is supposed to be the turn signal wire, into the positive side, which is just the normal headlight wire, there you go. If you put in like that, it leaves the yellow on instead of the actual white light. So if you like that better, you know, that you can also do that. The only thing is, I do not think that it works for the turn signal, if I'm not mistaken. And no, it does not. It doesn't work for the turn signal. So yeah, if you want to do it like that, you can. If not, you can use that as the turn signal. And hold on, let me turn off the turn signal real quick. Or you could just have it white like that. So I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm blurry. There we go. Alright guys, after a few hours later, I had to wait for it to dry. It's not perfectly dry. It's just enough to stay on there. And it's not anywhere near finished because I still got to do some stuff to it. But here is the end result. Yeah, it's alright. It's not the best I've seen, but okay. Alright guys, like I said, it's not the best, but I mean, it does look kind of cool. I mean, just kind of look at it. It gives a little bit meaner look to it, and I mean, it's functional because now it's got a vent through there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, got a vent going through there now instead of a light bulb. So I know the front of these Foxbodies kind of prevent from air getting to the radiator, so that kind of helps out a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. But I'm honestly happy with it. I'm probably gonna fill in some of this area right here and in the corners for like silicone or something like that, just to make sure that the water don't get into anything and get underneath the glue and mess it up or anything like that. But other than that, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Tune in next time to see what else we're gonna do with this Foxbody, because I think next time, I'm probably gonna be installing these fender flares. So depends on what comes in the mail next week. So we'll find out. But until then, I'll see you on the next one.